Wow, the candle banana has bite by bird. Almost one, two, three. We got this. Okay, guys. It's very awesome about bite bird.